drainage, drainage. The drainage system in my community needs cleaning and repairing. Rainy season, rainy season. The rainy season has now begun. Low-lying areas, low-lying areas. Low-lying areas are mainly affected by floods due to heavy rains. Showers of rain, showers of rain. There has been showers of rain across the island for the past 3 days. Breeze, breeze. I can feel the gentle breeze blowing on my face. Thunderstorm, thunderstorm. We have been experiencing thunderstorms all morning. Riverbank, riverbank. The riverbanks burst open after several hours of rainfall. Wind, wind. Today is very cold and windy. Landslide, landslide. Several landslides occurred after many hours of rainfalls. Lightning, lightning. Lightning flashes all night. Flood, flood. A number of flash floods affected parts of the city. Rain, rain. It has been raining all day today. The rain is pouring outside. Weather forecast, weather forecast. The weather forecast predicts strong winds and scattered showers over the next 3 weeks. Clear skies, clear skies. Clear skies are expected for the rest of the week. Cloudy, cloudy. Today is very cloudy. Overcast, overcast. The skies was overcast all afternoon, and then light rains began to fall in the evening. Drizzle, drizzle. It is just drizzling outside now. Torrential rain, torrential rain. There was a lot of landslides in the countryside due to the downpour of torrential rains all week.